Hi, this is Sandra Jeffries. This is Good Food and Fun, Good, Bad, and Ugly. Tonight, we're at Bonefish Grill, and we're here to see if their food is good, bad, and ugly. So we have a small appetizer, and it is, what is it, Robert?
It's a bread with a rosemary olive oil.
The bread with rosemary olive oil. Okay? Alrighty. This is good. See the rosemary on there and the garlic. This is so good. We ordered our food, and when she comes back, I'll let you know what we got and let you know if the food is good, bad, or ugly. See you soon. The soup of today is corn chowder with seafood. Okay, we're going to check this out. There goes some of the seafood in there and the corn, cream corn. It's real hot. This is good. It is very good. I don't want to burn my mouth. Then we're going to see what Robert's having. What is yours, Robert?
It's a side salad with heart of palm. That's what that is. The little things is the heart of palm. So we're going to see if it's good, bad, or ugly. And we'll be back. All right. I have a side salad. And this here is heart of palm. Let's see how it tastes. Kind of like how to describe? Kind of like a, what's that, turnip? But not a turnip. It's pretty good.
Does it taste it like whatever you have in your plate? It takes the taste of whatever's in the plate.
Well, we're going to put, that's about it. That's a citrus dressing. So,
alrighty, you're gonna see.
We're going to see if it's good, bad, or ugly.
Okay. Yes, he cut it up.
Heart of palm.
That's heart of palm. Okay. Okay, how does it taste? It's good? I'm going to let him enjoy his salad, and I'm going to enjoy my cream of corn with seafood in it, and we'll be right back. Okay, what I'm getting ready to eat now, string beans with garlic, mashed potatoes, and I'm ready to have crusted cob, which is stuffed with a lot of other goodness in it, and a lot of cheese, a lot of cheese. Okay, here we go. See how that looks? And stuffed the cod, I'm sorry. See right in there? It's stuffed. And all that goodness, okay? This is good. The garlic potatoes. You gotta have that vegetable. Very good. Alrighty. We're gonna look and see what Robert has.
And it's really summer. Going to squeeze, see that lemon go on there. Oh yeah. I think I gave a little lemon to the green beans.
Okay. Now he's gonna try his salmon. Let's see how his salmon is. It looks tender. It looks very tender. Okay, let's see how good it tastes. Okay.
It's salmon.
How does it taste, Robert?
It's decent.
Is it decent or is it good?
And all the potatoes are great.
All right. And we're gonna let him finish his meal, and we both will be right back. Hi, this is Sandra Jeffries. This is Good Food and Fun, Good, Bad, and Ugly. Today we're getting ready to review the food that we just ate from, I'm getting sleepy, Bonefish Grill. Whew, I am stuffed. 1 is good, 2 is bad, 3 is ugly. The results are in, and I definitely give it a 1, which is good. Yay! For the ambiance. It's so beautiful here. Nice and cozy. Between 1 and 10, I give it definitely a 10. Yay! For the service, oh, the young lady was on point. Our glass never went empty. When it got to a certain point, real low, she'd come back right away and refill our water or our drinks, our ginger ale, you know. And so she definitely gets a 10 for service. All right. Last but not least, the food. It was very good, very tasty. I will definitely come back. I give it a 10. Yay! So if you're looking for some good seafood, this is definitely the place to go to. If you like what you see, hit thumbs up, share, and subscribe. What do you know? We're on the go. This is day 1, and we're going to keep it moving, cruising with Brother Jeffries and Good Food and Fun, Good, Bad, and Ugly, yours truly. And we'll be right back with you another day, which is tomorrow, to see what's good, what's bad, what's ugly. Have a blessed evening. Look forward to seeing you again on part 2. God bless.